Turn up. Turn up is to increase something. This can be volume, temperature, brightness, the list goes on. Turn up is used when you want something to become louder, brighter, warmer, stronger, or more intense. Americans use it all the time for volume. Hey, turn up the music. Heat, turn up the heater. Brightness, turn up the lights. TV, turn it up, I can't hear. It's very common in daily, family, and home conversations, especially when people are watching TV, listening to music, or adjusting the thermostat. It can also be used figuratively to mean increase energy or excitement. Let's turn up the energy. Or the party really turned up after 10 p.m. But for now, the main meaning is simple. Turn up is to make something louder, brighter, or stronger. Some examples are, please turn up the volume, I can't hear. You could also say, she turned up the heat because it was cold. Or, they turned up the lights for the presentation. Can you turn up the music just a little? He turned up the microphone during the speech. Now repeat after me. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up the volume. She turned up the heat. Can you turn it up?